Today we'll be learning how to log into Little Sponges using ClassLink. To get started, we'll access the Savannah-Shadden County Public School System website. So navigate in your browser to SCCPSS.com. From here, we'll select Families. Once on the Families page, we'll select the Student and Parent Tools header, and there is the option that says Student ClassLink. Let's click on that, and it'll take us into the login page. Here we have a couple of options, either signing in with your Microsoft account or with your Quick Card. For our purpose, the Quick Card will be the simplest option. When you click on that, your camera will be launched and you can scan your student Quick Card using your camera. Please request this information from your homeroom teacher if you do not have it at home. Once logged into ClassLink, your Launchpad will appear where you can select Little Sponges from the list of icons. To make accessing Little Sponges even easier, students and teachers can favorite the Little Sponges icon on their Launchpad. To do this, simply hover over the icon, right-click, and select Add to Favorites. You'll notice that you get a confirmation that it's been added to the favorites, and it'll now appear in the bottom dock of the Launchpad, where you can simply click on it to launch Little Sponges. Once logged in, students will be presented with the adventure map. Now they can navigate to any adventure or item on the map to navigate the course. Thank you for taking the time to learn about ClassLink Login at Home. If you have any questions, you can contact us directly at www.little-sponges.com/contact-us. Alternatively, you can reach out to your homeroom teacher for further questions. Thank you.